love fresh baguette. It's the amazing thing about going to a farmer's market. Each baker does it a little bit differently. When you find the one you love, it's irresistible. I'm gonna put this on the barbecue and do grilled baguette and butter pudding. So the trick here is to get it just grilled. This just needs to be crisped up a tiny bit. The first thing I want to do with these is get them all buttered up while they're still warm. You know, when I have some leftover fruit, dried fruit, baguette, or any type of bread, this is how I like to use it up. And to add a little bit of color to this pudding and to cut the richness a bit, I picked up these beautiful red currants. They're quite tart. It'll be nice with all of the rich flavors of the rest of the pudding. Now that that's all mixed up, I'm gonna put it in my pan. And then every bread pudding needs a good custard. Custard's really easy to make. It's pretty much exactly how I start my ice cream off. And this is what makes the bread pudding so decadent. This is so thick. Oh yes. So I want to bring this up to just a simmer, not a boil, to be able to incorporate the egg and the sugar. While this is coming up to temperature, there's one little flavor molecule I want to add in. Nothing beats the pure flavor of fresh vanilla bean. There's so much yum on that knife. Oh, so aromatic. You can smell that vanilla immediately. And all those flakes are giving this custard a nice color. All right, and a custard needs eggs. The yellow of the yolks is what's going to give the custard that beautiful yellow creamy color. And the trick with custard is you have to temper it so you don't cook the egg. So I have to add a little bit of that hot cream into this mixture before I put this back into the pot. Just a little bit at a time, otherwise the eggs will scramble. All right, now to combine. And that, my friends, is how you make custard. All this bread is gonna soak up the custard, turn it to pudding. This is gonna go on the grill. It's gonna cook like it's in an oven. Nice low heat, and soon enough, I'll be eating dessert. Oh, bread pudding on the grill. She's a beauty. This is a dish best served hot. Had a little bit of cream left over. I'm gonna serve this English style. Look at how decadent that looks. Such an attractive dish. I mean, this is camping in style. Little fresh mint, some fresh currants, fresh cream. Tastes like heaven. That bread has gotten all soft on the inside, but still crunchy on the outside. And that custard is just bringing everything together. Such a fun way to use grilled baguette. Dessert on a barbecue is a must try. Now that's a fresh market dessert.